Hello everyone, it's Simplify Technology. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add new users on your Mac. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. Click on the Apple logo in the very top left corner of your screen and select System Preferences. In the System Preferences window, click on Users and Groups. To make changes, click on the log icon in the bottom left corner and enter your admin password. Click on the plus button under the list of users to add a new user. Choose the account type Administrator for full control or Standard for limited access. Enter the full name, account name, password, and password hint for the new user. Click Create User to add the new user account. You can now log out or switch users from the log screen to access the new user account. That's it, I hope it helps and you can watch this new video or this playlist about Mac programs, Mac software, and see you later.